The last part of this chapter, I'll be covering some good extra sums and we'll conclude this chapter. Okay, let's. And AP consists of 21 terms. So in all there are how many terms? 21 terms. The sum of the three terms in the middle. First I need to find which are the three middle numbers. So if there are 21 terms, the middle number will be 11th one, correct? So 11th one का पहले वाला 10th term, 11th one के right वाला 12th term. So these three will be the middlest term of the series. Their addition is 129. The sum of last three is 237. That is A21 plus A20 plus A19. Let's see. N कितना दिया है? 21. So if I talk about the middle three terms as explained, it should be A10, A11 and A12. Now their sum is given as 129. That is A10 plus A11 plus A12 कितना दिया है? 129. What is A10? A plus 9D. What is A11? A plus 10D. What is A12? A plus 11D. A plus A becomes 3A. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 11, 30. So I get 3A plus 30D equals 129. I divide this by 3 to simplify further. I get A plus 10D equals 43. तो यहाँ से A कितना मिलेगा? A आएगा 43 minus 10D. Now let's move to the next part. This last three numbers is 237. So A19, A20, A21 कितना दिया है? 237. Similarly A19 क्या आएगा? A plus 18D. A20 आएगा A plus 19D. A21 आएगा A plus 20D. So again 3A plus 57, 237. I'll divide by 3. I know the value of A. That is, my value of A is 43 minus 10D. So I'll substitute here. क्या हो जाएगा? 43 minus 10D. So 10D, that is 9D equals 79 minus 43. D आएगा 4. I need to find the AP. So I got D. So I'll substitute D again in this equation to get the value of A. तो A कितना हो जाएगा? 3. So I know A, I know D. So my first term will be 3. What will be second term? 3 plus 4, 7. Third term, 11. Fourth term, 15 and so on. Correct? 3, 7, 11, 15. Understood? This step was very important. That is A10, A11 and 12. First I'll find the centermost term. Then उसका एक left term, उसका एक right term. Then this condition. Okay. Next, a very good sum. Sum of three consecutive terms. So when I talk about three consecutive terms, I'll always take the three terms as A minus D, A and A plus D. If I say five consecutive terms, so I'll say A minus 2D, A minus D, A, yeah, please bear with my writing. I'm practicing it now. This is for three terms. This is for five terms. Okay? So see, I know what are three terms now. A minus D, A plus D. उनका sum कितना दिया है? 27. That is A minus D, A plus D is 27. So D cancel. So what I've got? 3A is 27. What is, so 3A is 27. That is A is 9. Also they have given the product is 504. That is A minus D, A plus D is 504. What I have done, I have substituted the value of A as 9. A minus D into A plus D हो जाता है A square minus D square. Again what is A? 9. So 9 square minus D square, and I have divided this 9 over here. I get 56. If I solve this, I get D square as 81 minus 56. The D square कितना आएगा? 25. So by rule D will be two values. Either it will be positive or it will be negative. So D positive लिया तो पहला नंबर क्या आएगा? 9 minus 5, that is 4. A is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. तो पहला सीरीज आएगा 4, 9, 14. If I take D as minus 5, so 9 minus of minus 5 कितना हुआ? 14. A हो जाएगा 9 and 9 minus 5, 4. How to cross verify answer? Both the series will get vice versa. It means the answer is correct. ठीक है. Now one more special thing, if I talk about 4 consecutive terms, ठीक है, so this will be my 4 consecutive terms to get the answer in the easiest way. 4 consecutive. A little bit tricky to understand here. If the pth term, qth term, rth term of an AP, B, X, Y and Z. pth term का मतलब क्या दिया है? AP दिया है, AP दिया है X, सिमिलरली AQ दिया है Y एंड AR दिया है Z. तो सी AP का मतलब क्या होगा? A प्लस n माइनस 1D. n कितना है? P. सो A प्लस n माइनस 1D कितना दिया है? X. Q टर्म के लिए क्या आएगा? सेम A प्लस Q माइनस 1D Y. R term A plus R minus 1D Z. Now I'll use this expression. Now please try to understand. I'll try my level best to explain you. तो पहले क्या करेंगे? x को q माइनस r से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. मेरा x क्या है? a प्लस p माइनस 1d. तो देखो ये मेरा x है, x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किया मैंने, कैन यू सी हियर, और q माइनस r एज इट इज लिखा है. Then I have substituted y over here. See this value is y. Then I have substituted z over here. ठीक है. अब क्या किया है वो देखो. Now it's very difficult to open the bracket. So what I have done, see now, a q minus r से multiply होगा. If you see, ये a q minus r से multiply होगा, ये a r minus p से multiply होगा, और ये a p minus q से multiply होगा. So in all three cases, what is common? A common है. So see, I have taken a common. तो क्या बचेगा? q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Then see, p minus 1d को q minus r मल्टीप्लाई होगा, q minus 1d को r minus p होगा, r minus 1d को p minus q होगा. So I've taken these d's common. तो see, d common लिया, तो p minus 1 q minus r, q minus 1 r minus p, r minus 1 p minus q. ठीक है. Now see, this q cancel, ये r cancel, ये p cancel, तो ये क्या हो गया? 0. यहाँ पर I need to open this bracket, I need to open this bracket, I need to open this bracket. So let's open. If you open this, everything will cancel. Let the answer as 0. So see, ये PQ cancel होगा, ये PR और ये PR cancel होगा. So in short, all will cancel each other. Hence the answer comes out to be 0. Please try. If not, please ask. Okay. Next sum. Okay, very good sum, which was asked in City Pride School in the last year's prelim exam. Many children could not be able to solve. 150 workers were engaged to finish a piece of work in certain number of days. If I have 150 people, they are taking some days to complete the work. Okay. In the second case, 4 workers dropped the second day, 4 more workers dropped the third day. So if I go on reducing 4 workers every day, I am taking 8 more days to complete the work. So what I'll do now, I'll first think about the second case. Every day I'm dropping 4 workers. Initially I had 150 workers. See, let the number of days in which work was finished be n. By the second case, if I'm dropping workers every day, I take n days to complete the work. How many days I take? N days to complete that work. Let us assume that. So what is the scenario? Number of workers on first day 150, second day 146, थर्ड डे 142. ऐसा करते करते एंड डेज में कितना काम होगा? जितने पीपल होंगे. सो इट विल बी 150 प्लस 146 अप टू एन टर्म्स. सो माय ए इज 150, माय डी विल बी -4, एन आई डोंट नो. सो आई विल फाइंड एस एन. इन सारे वर्कर्स के वर्क को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो एन बाय 2, दिस मच आवर्स ऑफ वर्क इज डन. एम आई राइट? सो एन बाय 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. I'll solve this. What will I get? This 2 and this 2 I can cancel easily with this 2. So see, n by 2, 300 minus 4n plus 4. Simplify करो इसको तो हो जाएगा 152 n minus 2n square. So this much amount of work is done in n days by that scenario of workers, that is 150 plus 146 and so on. अगर ये n days ले रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट सिनेरियो विल टेक 8 लेस डेज बिकॉज सेकंड वाला इज टेकिंग 8 मोर ना. So first वाला will take 8 less days. So first वाला कितना लेगा work करने को? n minus 8 days. And every day have 150. So 150 plus 150 plus 150 कितनी बार होगा? n minus 8 times. ये पहला इक्वेशन कॉपी किया जस्ट. So 150 workers are working every day. So for how many days they will work? n minus 8 days. So total work done by them will be 150 into n minus 8. Correct? इतना work will be done by them. That is 150 n minus 1200. Now this should be equal to this. Correct? That's what I'm doing. If you solve them, you get a quadratic equation. So I want multiplying 600, adding minus 1. So think about the factors. Okay. So 25 to 24, that's what we'll get. We'll get the factors at minus 25 n plus 24 n. ठीक है, इसको यूज करो. अभी n नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, so n has to be 25. So 25 days has to be required to complete that certain amount of work. So any doubt in the worksheet, any doubt in any sum of the exercise, please ask. It's a very easy chapter, only two formulas, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, based on these formulas. Remember, your main task is to find a, d and n. Once you know these three things, you can find anything from the given topic.